Hello and welcome to another video by Driven Automotive Consulting. Today we have a Kia Sportage and I'm very excited to be showing it to you. But before we go any further, if you are in the market of buying a brand new car like this Kia Sportage, Driven Automotive Consulting can help you find the best deal. Our services are free of charge and we give you a small gift upon collection of your vehicle. So check us out at www.drivenautoza.com for more information. But for now, back to the video. The model you see on screen right now is the Kia Sportage 1.6T-GDi EX, and it has been kindly borrowed to me by Kia The Glen. And I would also like to send a special shout out to Shiksha. If you are looking for a new or used Kia Sportage, Kia The Glen has got you covered. On the outside, this car has a round shape which is characterized by trapezoidal details in the headlamps and tail lamps. It is very hard to ignore this car when it passes you on the road. I also love Kia's bold color palette on these vehicles. Because this is the EX model, it comes standard with 18-inch wheels which improve the car's premium look. Honestly, the Kia Sportage looks great no matter which trim level you opt for. So what are your thoughts on the design of the Kia Sportage? Let me know in the comment section below, and while you are at it, please like, share and subscribe. Do all of those YouTube things, I really do appreciate it. Moving to the front seat, and you have this dashboard with a very minimalistic design. Your seating position is great and you do get to see everything with minimal blind spots. You also have lots of storage space and these cup holders can be hidden away when not in use. Standard equipment on all Sportage models include cruise control, rear view camera and automatic climate control. You also have this multifunction screen which flips between your audio controls and your air conditioning controls. Additional nice-to-haves which come on the EX model include wireless charging, a driver memory seat and heated steering wheel. That 12.3-inch infotainment system allows for various forms of connectivity such as Bluetooth, USB, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It works smoothly and the clarity of the screen is uploadable. If you like sunroofs, I have good and bad news for you. You can only get a sunroof if you do go for one of the higher-end GT models, and you cannot find them as an option in any one of the lower specs. Moving to the back seat, and there's ample space in here for 3 adults. The front seat is in my normal driving position and legroom and knee room is more than adequate. Headroom is more than enough for 3 adults as well. For added practicality and comfort, you have rear pouches behind both seats, 2 USB Type-C ports which are conveniently placed, air vents and a cup holder in each door, and an armrest with 2 extra cup holders. I was also very surprised to see that this car comes with heated rear seats, especially at this price point and trim level. I'm really impressed with that. Overall, it's a very comfy place to be for long and short distances. Moving to the boot, and here you have 591 liters of space for your cargo. You also have these anchor points to tie down any fragile items. If you want to increase boot space for longer items, you can use these levers to drop down the rear seats and the total space in here increases to 1,780 liters. One thing I really appreciate from Kia is the inclusion of a full-size spare tire with an alloy wheel under the boot. This can also be seen in other cars in this segment such as the Hyundai Tucson which I recently reviewed. If you want to see that video, head to the channel and hear my thoughts on that car. Overall, this is a big boot with lots of space for your luggage. Under the hood of every Kia Sportage model, you will find a 1.6-liter turbo petrol 4-cylinder engine with 132 kilowatts of power and 265 Newton meters of torque. This unit sends its power to the front wheels via 7-speed automatic transmission and the car will move from 0 to 100 in 8.8 seconds. Top speed is rated at 201 kilometers per hour. Fuel consumption is claimed to be 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, but on my short drive I managed to achieve about 7 liters per 100 kilometers. This is alright considering the fact that I wasn't even trying to save fuel anyway. This car also comes with impressive maintenance plans. With your new Kia Sportage, you will get a 6-year 90,000 kilometer service plan. You will also get a 5-year unlimited kilometer maintenance plan as well as 5 years unlimited kilometers of roadside assistance. Out on the open road, I was impressed with how quiet and refined this car is. The steering is light and the suspension is soft, so you barely feel any bumps on the road. The 1.6-liter motor is happiest when you're just cruising around town and it can keep up with traffic really easily. But if you also need to put your foot down, it is more than happy to comply. In terms of safety, all Sportage models come standard with 6 airbags, hill start assist control and blind spot collision warning. If you want extras such as smart cruise control and lane keep assist, you will have to opt for the higher end GT models. Now for the financial bit. Prices on the Sportage start at 555,000 Rand for the LX model, but if you want the one that we tested today, you are looking at 609,000 Rand. If you are looking to finance that over 72 months with no deposit and no balloon payment, your monthly installments will come up to 11,600 Rand. Add 2 full tanks of petrol and that amount goes up to 14,100 Rand. So what are my final thoughts on the Kia Sportage? Well, it's a great looking vehicle with decent spec. In this EX trim, it has everything you need, but in the GT line models, it has everything you want. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And if you want to see more videos like this, head to the channel and consider subscribing. But guys, thank you very much for watching this one. Until the next video, take care and stay driven. A special shout out to our Braai Master as well. Hey, Stembiso hooked us up with very nice Boerewors rolls, eh?